Welcome to Section 5 of our Viral Marketing video training. In this section, we'll talk about profiting from affiliate offers, profiting from Google AdSense, and profiting from content marketing platforms. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Profiting from affiliate offers. Affiliate marketing, for those unfamiliar with the term, is a form of marketing that pays advertisers for performance. In this case, performance refers to when an advertiser drives customers through a sales funnel to make a purchase from a vendor. There are two parties involved in affiliate marketing, publishers and advertisers. Publishers are the vendors of the product in need of promotion, and advertisers are the people advertising the product in order to drive sales. Publishers delegate the marketing aspect of their business to advertisers in exchange of a fee paid to the advertisers based on a percentage of the base price of the product. For example, you can dedicate a section of your viral website to Amazon products. You can create a separate post for certain products, redirect visitors to the Amazon product page, and get paid every time someone makes a purchase. It works as easy as that. The only thing you need to do is sign up for an affiliate program online and start profiting. Viral marketing is a great way to market products to sell through affiliate channels because it spreads quickly and is cost-effective. People will promote your product for you just like they would promote a piece of viral content. Here are some of the best affiliate channels to deliver great viral marketing campaigns. CPA. CPA is short for cost per acquisition or cost per action, where an acquisition refers to a new client acquired for a business and an action refers to an action initiated by a customer, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. Each product or service offered is known as a CPA offer and can only be accessed through CPA networks. CPA networks are where advertisers can sign up to get access to CPA offers to promote. Among the most popular networks are Max Bounty and Peerfly. Amazon. Amazon.com has an awesome affiliate program called Amazon Associates. You can sign up for the program to start promoting Amazon products on your page. Payout rates start at 4% and go up to 8% for each product a customer buys when referred from your site. Simply link to the products on Amazon through a well-presented post and get ready to make a buck. ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the most popular affiliate marketplaces on the internet, with more than 17 years of experience in the affiliate niche. It has a library of over 6 million products and a customer base of over 200 million people around the world. Sign up as a digital marketer to start promoting products from the ClickBank catalog and start earning commissions as high as 75%. Choose the products that you want to sell, get paid on time, and develop partnerships to increase your income. JVZoo. JVZoo is another highly profitable affiliate marketplace that provides the network, the tools, and the essential solutions to build a successful internet business. JVZoo offers affiliates instant payments, secure payment plan options, a sales funnel generator, and seamless integration to incorporate everything you need to operate in one place. Profiting from Google AdSense. Have you ever wondered what most of the viral and niche websites out there do to make money and how they keep themselves running? The answer is paid advertising. You have already been exposed to paid advertising each time you visit your favorite website. Check your favorite content, and you can see how it is surrounded by ads in different forms, placements, and shapes. Most likely, those ads are being served by the AdSense platform, which is a paid advertising service provided by Google. It also works as a free monetization service for website owners to leverage their website's content and space to turn a profit by showing ads. Google gets paid by advertisers each time any AdSense ads are clicked. The website owner profits from Google's revenue because Google splits what it earns from advertising with website owners signed to the AdSense account. Of course, it is not enough to only show AdSense ads in your site to make a profit. You need lots of high-quality traffic in order to profit from AdSense revenue. If you're not getting enough traffic, you will not get enough clicks, and you only get paid for clicks on the ads shown in your site. So the more visitors click your ads, the better. Just go to the sign-up form at google.com/AdSense. Sign in using your Google account. Enter your website address when prompted, Enter your personal information and submit your application. On average, Google will take a week to let you know if your site qualifies and your AdSense account is approved. As long as your site complies with their policies and offers great relevant content to its visitors, you will not have a problem getting the approval. Just make sure that your viral website has the following pages. An About Us page. We are pretty sure that you already thought about including this section in your site, even without us telling you to do so, but it's worth a reminder. An About Us page is dedicated to carefully explaining what your site is about and what visitors can expect to find on it. A Contact page. Having a contact page on your site is also important for Google to approve your site to participate in the AdSense program. Your contact page should contain a mandatory email address where visitors can contact you, as well as other channels that you might like to add. A privacy policy page. This is the section that the AdSense team will pay the most attention to, because this is the page where you are going to tell your visitors that you use the AdSense platform to serve them ads, as well as specify how you use the information collected from them. All right, now your AdSense account has been approved and you can start showing AdSense ads in your site. How can you do that? There are 2 easy ways to do so. The first one is to copy the AdSense codes from your AdSense account and go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Appearance tab and click on Widgets. Scroll down and click on Text. Choose where you would like to place the AdSense ad from the code in your site, which will depend on the options provided by the theme of your choosing. Then click on Add Widget. Paste the code from your AdSense account in the Content field and click on Save. Now, the ads will appear on your site. The second option is to download the official AdSense plugin for WordPress. Simply go to the Plugins tab in your dashboard, click on Add New, and use the AdSense keyword in the Search Plugin search bar. Now, look for the plugin, install it, and activate it. To use the AdSense plugin, go to the Settings tab in the menu on the left and click on AdSense. You'll be asked to sign into your Google account to sync your AdSense account with your site, so you can start inserting ads directly from your WordPress editor. Profiting from content marketing platforms. Have you ever been reading something on a website and noticed content at the bottom of the article containing links to articles that you thought looked a lot different than what you are used to on that site? Then, out of curiosity, you decided to click on the links and got redirected to an article on a different website. This new trend is called content marketing. It works a lot like paid advertising. But instead of serving ads for products, websites, or services to visitors of a website, they serve content from other websites. It is aiming to boost traffic to the website from where the content being promoted originates. It has become a great alternative for marketers because they can promote a website, a product, or a service straight through a piece of content. It is great for websites because they can promote their content on other websites with high traffic to attract people. What are some of the great benefits of content marketing for my viral website? Content marketing will generate more inbound traffic to your website. That's because content marketing responds to entertainment needs and not directly to commercial needs. That's the reason why it is preferred by 68% of consumers, and is the reason why it's especially good for viral websites and viral content. Content marketing increases engagement when the audiences are highly targeted because content promotion does not look like advertising, and highly targeted audiences respond very positively to it. Content marketing builds up natural link popularity when used on rich media websites or blogs, which means that it is perfect for viral websites just like yours. Content marketing also drives more sales and generates more leads. So when grouped along with paid advertising and affiliate offers on a viral website, the payouts increase. How does your viral website monetize content marketing? Much like with paid advertising, content marketing pays advertisers when content is clicked. Each time that visitor clicks on a piece of promoted content, the company owning the promoted content pays a royalty to the content advertiser. That means that you get paid every time visitors on your website see a piece of promoted content of their interest and they click on it. This should be motivation enough to get more traffic to your website, because content marketing can be your third monetization channel. How can you use content marketing on your viral website? To enable content marketing on your viral website, you'll have to sign up for a content marketing platform first. Content marketing platforms will be the ones providing you with the content to promote, much like AdSense provides you with ads to serve on your website. There are several content marketing platforms out there, but we recommend you sign up for either of these two based on prior user experience. Taboola. Taboola is a content marketing platform that uses content to drive business growth. It gets content on top publisher sites, providing a neat 82% lift in brand recognition. To participate in the Taboola content marketing program, fill in the sign-up form. Outbrain. Outbrain is another successful content marketing platform that helps content creators and publishers reach new audiences. It reaches over 557 million people a month and serves over 200 million recommendations in the same time span.